Myself, Dr. Shivakant Pathak, here available with you to see the concept of specific heat capacity at constant pressure and constant volume, and the relation between both. We will see qualitative relation between C and V, Cp and Cv today. So topic is Cp is greater than Cv. Why? Always why it is greater. So to see the relation between both, first of all see what is Cp and Cv. First of all we are going to see Cv, specific heat capacity at constant volume. Cv, it is denoted by small cv. This is heat. Specific heat capacity is heat. It is amount of heat required to temperature of 1 gram of gas by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. If we have 1 gram of gas, ideal gas, and if you want to increase its temperature by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin, then whatever amount of heat is required is called Cv if volume is kept constant. If volume is kept constant, right? Now we are going to see Cp, specific heat capacity at constant pressure. Both is heat. What is this? Amount of heat. What is where this heat is utilized? To increase the temperature of 1 gram of ideal gas through 1 degree centigrade. In this case, the pressure we will keep constant. In the former case, first case, we have done volume as a constant factor, but here we have kept pressure as a concept. That is why it is represented by small cp. This small cp or small cv, both is amount of heat, specific heat. It is at first is constant pressure and second is at constant volume. The unit normally we are representing in calorie per gram per degree Celsius or joule per kg per Kelvin, or any one unit by same way we may represent it according to need. In Cp and Cv, specific heat capacity at constant volume at constant pressure, we are also considering molar specific heat capacity of a gas at constant volume. Right? If we take in place of 1 gram of gas, if we take 1 mole of gas and require and rise its temperature by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin, both is the same. Difference in Celsius and difference in Kelvin is the same, we know. Then amount of heat which is required is known as molar specific capacity of heat, provided that volume is constant. Then it is known as constant. It is represented by capital C, Cv. Now, molar specific heat capacity at constant pressure is the same. This is also molar specific heat capacity. So it is amount of heat also same like that, required to increase 1 mole of ideal gas through 1 degree, provided that in second case pressure is kept constant. It is denoted by capital Cp. Right? Unit of this Cp or Cv is same like as previous one. calorie per mole per degree Celsius or joule per kg per Kelvin, not per kg, per mole. It is in this case, if energy is much more, we may use kilojoule also according to the need available in this case, right? So to see the relation between both Cp and Cv, a relation between molar specific heat capacity at constant volume and second at constant pressure, let us see the explanation very carefully. See the situations we are studying at constant volume. See, in a system of piston and cylinder, right? In system of piston and cylinder, 1 mole of ideal gas is filled here in it, in system of piston and cylinder, right? Now this piston and cylinder of 1 mole gas we are heating by providing the heat from down. Here in this case we are giving heat to a system of which is filled with 1 mole of ideal gas, right? So when we give heat to this, absorb heat, right? So when it's absorb heat, its internal energy increases and expansion in the gas molecule will be there. So when it's want to move upward to increase in a volume, some pressure is kept, some weight is kept over the piston to keep volume as a constant. So we are increasing its temperature by 1 degree Celsius only, right? So here we are doing only one work, rise in temperature by 1 degree Celsius. Whatever amount of heat required here in this case is called molar specific heat capacity at constant volume, right? Now we are going to consider on the next side of the page. See very carefully at constant pressure. See what is the situation at constant pressure. The system is the same here in this case. Same system of piston and cylinder in which 1 mole of ideal gas is filled in it, and we are heating this same like as the previous case, and doing in such a way that we are doing two work here. One, rise in temperature by 1 degree Celsius when we give heat to the system here. So temperature naturally of the gas will increase and it is free to expand. In that condition, its volume will also increase. Change in volume. So here is a two work by the heat. What is second work? A rise in volume. So to doing this two work, whatever amount of heat, see here in this, amount of heat is needed is called molar specific heat capacity at constant pressure, denoted by Cp. And in the first case, it is denoted by Cv under constant volume. Now see the comparative analysis in both. The situation is the same in that same system is 1 mole of ideal gas is filled in that, amount of heat is given. In first case only we are increasing this temperature by 1 degree, and here we are doing two work. One, rise in temperature through 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin, and rise in volume, change in volume. So here more amount of heat is needed. So in Cp, under Cp, two work done, and in Cv only one work done. What is only one work done? Rise in temperature. And what is here in this? Rise in temperature, and second, increase in volume. So naturally this heat is required more. That is why Cp is always greater than Cv. Cp is always greater than Cv. This is the required reason. This is for today only. Thank you and have a nice day to all.